Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to clear cache on Smart TV to fix apps. Alright, let's begin. I am not using Smart TV, but the process is similar, so follow along. First, open your Smart TV and make sure you are on the home screen. Then go to Settings and select Apps or Application Manager section. Select the app that is causing issues and choose Clear Cache. If the app still misbehaves, clear data as well, but note this may reset your login. Also, check for system updates and install the latest firmware to improve performance. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. This process removes corrupted temporary files and helps apps run smoothly again. On some TVs like Samsung, LG, or Android TV, the option may appear under Device Care or Storage depending on the model. So that's basically how to clear cache on Smart TV to fix apps. That's it for this video. Thanks.